Woodpecker's latest one-time tool, the hole boring jig, is a versatile solution for effortless project assembly operations. Now you'll be making dog hole patterns with near CNC precision. The hole boring jig starts with a sturdy 3/8 inch thick precision milled phenolic template that features 12 holes with 96mm spacing, which are used in conjunction with 2 brass guide bushings. One will machine 20mm holes and the other 3/4 inch holes when using a 1/2 inch diameter router bit. To start the hole pattern, use the pins to index the template, then clamp the template in place. Next, use your router with the guide bushing to begin boring as many holes as possible. Use either the 20mm or 3/4 inch bushings in the milled holes to keep the template in place once your clamps and the edge pins are removed. With all 12 template holes milled, remove the bushings and move the template to your next group of holes. Then, use the template bushings in existing holes to index the template for making the next set. Discover the efficiency of multifunction bench tops and work surfaces. The hole boring jig from Woodpeckers, precision made in the USA.